The Health Secretary has written to states on coronavirus measures. The Health Secretary has asked states to keep a strict vigil to curb the super spreader events, to curb crowding in the wake of New Year celebrations. The letter says that states can impose local restrictions to contain a COVID spread, assess the local situation and consider suitable curbs on the 30th of December, the 31st of December, as well as the 1st of January, can even extend till the 15th of January. So, curb crowding in the wake of winter season, in the wake of New Year festivities. This is what the Health Secretary has told several states.
सर्दी का मौसम है, अभी भी जहां तक हमें डेटा मालूम है, बहुत सारी पॉपुलेशन ससेप्टेबल है, आएगा वायरस, पकड़ सकता है, पास ही है कहीं। यूके का एक नया म्यूटेशन आया है जो कि कंटेजियसनेस दिखाता है क्लासिकल वायरस से ज्यादा। एक कंसर्न हमारे सामने पेश करता है। इन अ वे इट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड कि ऐसी म्यूटेशन हो सकती है, छोटी छोटी होती ही रहती हैं, लेकिन जब आया है तो क्लियरली एक डिस्टेबलाइज करता है हमारी तैयारी को, हमारे सिस्टम को। दिस पर्टिकुलर वायरस स्ट्रेन may have its own run and we have to be very careful, very careful. Please also remember that in a situation when the virus, a new virus or a new type of virus enters, it is easy to suppress that virus in the beginning. जब बहुत ज्यादा चेन हो जाती हैं, मल्टीपल चेन चल पड़ती हैं ट्रांसमिशन की, फिर उसको काबू करने के लिए बहुत मेहनत लगती है, हमने देखा है ये।
My colleague Sukirti, who's been tracking the details of these developments, now joins us. Sukirti, a lot is happening today. The UK travel ban has been extended. 20 strains of the rapidly spreading vaccine, the rapidly spreading virus has been found here in India. There's an advisory now that's been issued to states, very interestingly. And of course, there is that approval that has come in. So it's been a jam-packed morning. But tell us a little more about the advisory that's been issued to different states at the moment, Sukirti. That's very important.
Well, yes, Rishika. We'll get to the advisory point as well. Just to start off and tell our viewers that the subject expert committee meeting could be starting any time now, because the meeting is, as per sources, what we've learnt is that it was supposed to start around 2 p.m. So it may have already started. So the meeting is it was expected to start soon after the approval from UK came. So the subject expert committee meeting from the Indian government's end is currently on to the task of considering the application that has been given by the Serum Institute of India. So we should be expecting an approval by today, because they had been waiting for the UK approval to happen. So that is as far as the vaccine approvals are concerned. Regarding the advisory that has been issued to states, the Union Health Secretary has written to the chief secretaries of all of these states saying that all of the curbs on the New Year celebrations, you have to assess the situation at the local level and then take a call. We are also leaving this option open that if you want to impose night curfews, then you can do that as well, especially on 30th December, 31st December and 1st of January. So on these 3 days, special restrictions can be imposed by you, and also you have to prevent crowding in both marketplaces as well as generally, because this is the winter season and people are more vulnerable at this point of time since it's a respiratory infection.